This video shows how to add a material kit to the platform. Here you see we are on the Manage section, Materials. We already are in the hub Bulbul, for example, and you see we don't have any material yet, but we want to add a material kit to our location. So we just built some material kits and we want to add them. So press the button. And here you see this is the specially generated serial number for each material kit, as you also know from the wooden blocks. Here it says material kit and add description. Since you know every material kit contains of 2 learning materials, we need to add those 2 materials here. So let us say this is puzzles and books. Material kits, puzzles and books. Nothing more. Then I add a picture here. You can open your material kit, like your bag of the material kit, and take a picture that it's visible what is inside. So what kind of puzzles are in there, what kind of books. But that is enough. Then the description will be generated automatically. You do not need to fill in here, but the contents. So here we said those are puzzles. So we write that as a title. And we need to specify how many of what kind of puzzles. So maybe we say 2 fruit puzzles, 2 pin puzzles maybe, and 4 vegetable puzzles. Yeah. Then we have the books. There are a few possibilities of books. We just say 12 cardboard books. You can also write of any kind or whatever to specify more. But actually, this is enough. The numbers are very important since sometimes some books get lost and we can really show how many we delivered. Notes we do not need to add, and then press the check symbol. And you see it is already generated with the serial number, with the description. And here you see this symbol says the picture is missing, so please add it. So you can always click here again, and by clicking on the pen you are then able to open the mask again and to insert the picture. Here you see there is the material kit, puzzles and books, as we said, with the serial number. It is in Bulbul and it contains those things. And if you print it, you will also have generated the special QR code for it that the daycares can then scan it. The next step is to write this serial number onto the material kit bag. So take a marker, a permanent marker, and write this whole serial number SSS ZACTMK blah 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 onto the material kit bag, that it's very well visible. And then you're good.